Listen, if you're over 50 and you've noticed your legs getting weaker, you're not alone. That moment when you try to climb the stairs and you feel your knees shake, or when getting up from a chair suddenly feels harder than before, it's scary, right? Because deep down you worry. What if one day I lose my independence? But here's the good news. It's not too late. Today, I'm going to show you 4 simple at-home exercises, plus a bonus move that are helping thousands of people like you restore leg strength, improve balance, and feel younger again. Stick with me till the end, because if you skip just one of these, you're missing the exercise that could change everything for you. Before we start, imagine this. You're walking up a hill carrying groceries, no pain, no weakness, just strong, steady legs. Feels good, right? That's exactly where we're heading. Let's begin with the first exercise, calf raises. Your calves are the foundation of your balance. When they're weak, every step feels unstable. That's why calf raises are the perfect starting point. Here's what you do. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto your toes, lifting your heels as high as you can. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower down gently. Do 15 to 20 reps. You'll feel your calves fire up almost instantly. This simple move improves stability, reduces the risk of falls, and builds a strong base for the rest of the exercises. Now, you might be thinking, can such a small move really make a difference? Yes, because strong calves means strong balance. But balance isn't enough. You also need raw power in your legs, and that's where the next move comes in. Exercise 2, Bulgarian split squats. This one looks fancy, but trust me, it's a game changer. Bulgarian split squats target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings all at once. Exactly what you need to regain strength after 50. Here's how to do it. Stand about 2 feet in front of a chair or bench. Place 1 foot behind you on the chair. Slowly bend your front knee, lowering your body down until your thigh is almost parallel to the floor. Press through your front heel to return to standing. At first, it might feel challenging, and that's okay. Take it slow. Over time, your legs will feel stronger, steadier, and more capable than they have in years. When was the last time you felt truly confident climbing stairs or walking long distances? Imagine getting that confidence back. The next exercise is the key. It wakes up your glutes and protects your lower back. Exercise 3, isometric glute bridges. If you spend a lot of time sitting, your glutes, your biggest, strongest muscles, can switch off. That leads to weakness, back pain, and unstable hips. Glute bridges bring them back to life. Here's what to do. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips off the ground. Squeeze your glutes hard and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly lower down and repeat 10 times. This single move improves hip strength, posture, and overall power. And when your glutes are strong, every step feels lighter and safer. Now, let's add something most people over 50 completely ignore: grip strength and core stability. You might be wondering, what do my hands have to do with my legs? Everything, and here's why. Exercise 4, farmer's carry. This exercise trains your legs, core, and grip all in one move. Here's how. Grab 2 moderately heavy objects, dumbbells, water bottles, or grocery bags. Stand tall, shoulders back, core tight. Walk forward slowly for 20 to 30 steps. Rest, then repeat 3 rounds. It sounds simple, but this move builds total body strength, improves posture, and makes everyday tasks, like carrying groceries or climbing stairs, feel effortless. Feeling your legs working yet? Good, because we've saved the bonus exercise for last. A simple move that tests your endurance and pushes your strength to the next level. Bonus exercise, wall squats. Wall squats are brutal, but effective. Here's what you do. Lean your back against a wall, feet shoulder width apart. Slide down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Hold this position for 20 to 40 seconds. This isometric hold builds insane lower body endurance and bulletproofs your knees. Over time, it'll make walking, standing, and climbing feel effortless. Now you've got 4 powerful exercises, plus a bonus move that can completely transform your leg strength after 50. Remember, it's not about doing more, it's about doing what works. Start slow, stay consistent, and you'll feel the difference within weeks. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe, because we've got more life-changing tips coming your way. Your stronger, healthier future starts today. Let's make it happen together.